She be feeling us. Who wants to watch him on my nose? I am them now by force. They do
It's okay.
I love that video. I love that song.
They do that ginger. Chai.
You don't know how to love that song, Rich.
No.
You has no idea. MC Abbey, please give us a professional approach analysis to this song and the video and the artist.
That song, if you look at it from a periscopic view, you will notice that there is a sagamento in the vocal expression of the cocosium.
Hey!
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
You must not be with me.
MC Abbey,
You are the guy.
Don't come.
When you were singing and doing that video things and you're doing some local expression of in the capoteus movement, you allow the audience to understand that in the further progression of integral matters, there is no quagga quiggy that can stop your ukios fete coco pololo. It's just a show. Don't be bothered. It's a show.
Anyway, we're going to come back to MC Abbey on top I Love. In case you don't know where Ransome will perform for MC Abbey's show on Saturday. The local boy on Saturday. But Ransome, I beg, for those who don't know you, tell us about yourself.
Ransom yourself.
Ransom yourself.
They won't sing I without the glasses.
Come on, your glasses.
Because you don't use glasses, shoot that.
See my eye, well. So they see I'm now.
Isaiah Ransome.
Ransom yourself.
My name is Ransome. I'm from Abia State.
Now
I was born and bred in Enugu. But now I do
somewhere.
Look that camera 5. May they see your eye well.
Try to see my face now. You should actually see I'm in the red, but it's clear. Come on.
Waiting the red, I'm not looking for money.
What's in the red? The eye now. The eye they fine. Not just money. They fine every.
You go make up. You don't fight. You don't blow.
No. You don't.
Have I told you that the Boko boys are looking for you? No, you are going to blow. You
be that kind blow.
Forget about it. You just blow.
No, but you know, see, but you know, see, you get some kind of people. Even if they enjoy Boko, they're not going to blow.
They're not going to blow.
You don't say Ransome no.
No, this one don't blow.
It don't blow.
They get some musicians. No matter what they do, they're not going to blow.
I don't want to call names.
No.
I will call 2 names.
No.
Because you get one when you don't try to blow for you, no agree. You can't go north. You not face blow. You can't go beer parlor. They drink beer out of frustration. Boko boys came. They throw bomb for that place. Everything blow. This guy, he not blow. He still there. He don't say gala for Lagos. He don't come back.
MC
Some people, they don't feel blow.
No, so he not get the electrolyte for his body.
Nothing. He not the DNA blowless. It's unblowed.
He's a blowless
human being.
Now, Ransome, which kind of music you say they do? How you could classify your style of music?
I'm not gonna lie you. You know, say, as a very creative person, you're not gonna limit yourself to a particular style of music.
You see, now for the first time, why they hear, see all the time why they hear question, and they ask question, which music you say? I'm doing traditional R&B.
Cultural. No, Elekushi music. You never hear that one.
I'm doing Elekushi music. Which are the Elekushi music?
Cultural hip-hop.
It's cultural hip-hop.
Featuring
because
traditional vocals.
a good artist suppose knows, okay, today, as my spirit take me,
you can't
as they follow me, make I
don't
do this
box
one.
yourself. That's it.
So far, how long you don't do for music?
I don't do for music, as in professionally, since 2004.
Since 2004.
Yeah,
Not like 11 years now.
11 years now. I done the record songs since 2004.
Till now, how many songs you don't get?
I don't feel count them. I don't go lie. Them plenty. You know, say, as an artist, you gas the record. You get ones where you go scrap. You get ones where you go dash people. You get ones where you go.
We hear some people they dash people song like You hear say they say run town and give the video.
I hear that outside now.
But they agree. I say they agree.
No, but they use like football transfer for transfer window. Change and exchange of players. Now they say they come to agreement.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like how comedians will just say, that your joke, I won't use them.
So, you know.
Wait. Some comedians now they take excuse.
No, they are live band.
Plenty.
We call them live band comedians.
Live band comedians.
They crack everybody's joke. As live band sing everybody's song.
Now, Ransome, you get new song where you do promote now, celebrate.
Congratulations.
Sorry, I said celebrate. Congratulations. Congratulations.
No, it's okay.
That's the botanical name.
It be like say in yours, you know, you get the way Ransome the same way they carry people go.
No.
Finish.
You understand?
You know when
You
you
get
get
that?
outside with those white chairs.
Yes.
You know that that food went in chop for that in Phyno.
Nkwabi now, abacha.
Oh!
Hey.
You say, I dey imagine.
Oh!
You know say it gets some
Papa, don't drink
some
some
guys.
Come and drink palm
Some
wine.
guys when they there now they watch.
Very natural.
When I hear this thing now, you see some babes who na dey toast. Not be say that E3 way can go.
You
Not be
know.
say no.
Those people are not even used to all those E3.
She's not used to it.
Man.
Forget say she the package, you wrap pancake.
Take her down to the street, baby.
Take her to the street. Be a
Down
panel.
to the street.
Show her
Show her that you are a local somebody.
Local somebody like a Ransome.
You
You
know.
know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's it. In fact, if you want to toast babe and you want to know that she's down to it, just ask her, baby, mess for me. Just give me two mess. Poo poo.
No.
Mess. Make it.
No,
Let's just
tell
say,
me.
Okay, baby, mess for me.
Huh?
Mess.
Ah. I don't use to mess.
Oh, you're not used to it.
I don't
Okay,
mess.
fat for me, fat.
Oh, you would have said it now.
I should fat you.
No, you know
for me.
fat, like the fat, like you want to fat or the other fat. Which one, the body weight or the other fat?
The other fat.
You would have told me now. Take two.
You could run
I
from
will run
there.
for my life. How can a girl tell me that you are dating a girl for 1 year, say you have not seen her mess? No, you are not dating a girl, oh, you are dating a statue.
But me say I don't reason that thing. You could date somebody, eh? You never. She don't know the smell of your mess. If there's some kind of girl, we could date them. Even if they don't know, say they enter here now. Somebody mess. Is it today here?
Runke come here.
Is it today?
You don't fear those kind of people.
No, you know say una don't know yourself well.
Yes.
Una mess, una know. That one.
Your mess get DNA. You can identify you by your mess. As people, they can identify some mood by their mouth or door.
By their messes, we shall
Know them.
one.
Some mess na feel it. Just say, I know that guy. So now you know the slow motion mess. The one they having a abu. Or the one go greet you do.
You be like say you go school of
Nah,
you go study
messology.
for school of mess.
Messology.
Ransome, tell us about this song we just watched now.
Okay, local boy.
Yeah.
At a point, at this studio, I just did jobless that day. I don't want to go house. I say I must create something today.
See what God can do.
So I just did, but I just say, okay, make I go stroll around, make I stroll around, make I know if I fit get anything.
Inspiration. Thank God say you not smoking, bro.
Now you have to work out.
Inspiration.
Inspiration,
In our nation.
You also got to aim in bread.
Exactly. To any bread.
You make it dry.
So as I just walk out through the street, I see one corner, one sharp corner. The only thing within they sell for that place now, pame, bush meat and all those kind of things.
No.
As I enter that place, I say, okay, make una give me one jar of pame, at least make I dey enjoy. They think about my life. You know, and they drink the pame. I come they listen to the kind people where they come there. I can't understand. Say this place now, one kind place where we say the kind people where you go find there now. Everything when they discuss there now, waiting they no fit discuss outside. They just come there, one go tell you say, I say the way when wife they disturb her. Say don't tire. Say today, you say that woman go see her. Say making us there, drink. Say no say the woman done the call me. No, they disturb me. She don't dey disturb me now. Now make her come, make she kill me for house. I know they go. Keep her. They drink and pop. I could see which kind of people be this. man, this is one place where these people just, they have the right to be as local as they want. So as I just did there, that idea just entered my head. Local boy, I say, okay, I enjoy this pan wine now, pass champagne. Instead of champagne, I write them down. Instead of shawarma, na bush meat who are the chop. I write them down. And so it just come. I just from there, I just pay for the pan wine, run back, go studio, go begin record the song. Now so this song come out. So
when you go hear the song,
yeah, I release them for East there. People come like and come, they connect with the song. The thing come even people don't come. People were not saying me do the song. Then because then you never get studio, you never get video. Oh, they say me, Ransome, I like that your song. You be real local boy. Come say, so when I come relocate to Lagos, I come say, okay, this song needs to be heard, at least by everybody. And the only way to bring it out is to remix it with somebody where understand where the song they come from.
Yeah.
So I come reason Phyno. Based on say Phyno, now my guy from way back, from
Time River.
Yes. So I reason I play him the song. He say like the jam.
Imo River.
Say make we just walk small on the beat. We walk small on the beat. Come to sham up. In come voice am. Song just come out. And the first place, funny enough, the first place where I play him, the first show where I play him for this Lagos. Now show where this my oga MC Abbey. Yes.
From Time River. Forget about it.
Forget about it, here, boy. Get out of here, man.
Now those Igbo things, I don't know what's in the top, but they suit you for body. You just they hear and you just they suit you. I like the one day in my language. You know what I say they mess something from deep down with
Yes. So that the jam, now so the jam come out too. And
come blow.
Now, we go back small chicken break. Make we watch the video of Celebrate.
Congratulations.
Hey, why Celebrate? I don't know how we call it Celebrate.
It's the botanical name. Celebrate is the botanical name of congratulations.
If you still call them
Enjoyment.
More what? Congratulations, aka enjoyment, aka
celebration.
We dey